Welcome to Vegan Ultra. I'm your inspiration guide, Adam Gels, on this epic quest for health, hope, and happiness in which I lose 150 pounds in 12 months on a whole food vegan diet while walking 3,000 miles to prove to myself, my family, and everyone watching on YouTube that we can all become the ultra versions of ourselves if we give it a chance and are powered by plants. Today is the next installment of the 9 healthy food groups. We've already seen the science-based magic of fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, and nuts. So today we're talking about the science-based magic of seeds, which is kind of like nuts' healthy cousin. Now, here on Nutrition Facts, you can see there's so many benefits from flaxseed, which is Dr. Gregor's favorite kind of seed because it can help with weight loss, hypertension, fights cancer, can minimize inflammation. That's how it helps to prevent things like diabetes. And of course, this is just some of the benefits, and this is just one kind of seeds. Chia seeds are rich in quercetin, which we'll be talking about in the Food Friday episode coming up, when we'll talk about how to minimize allergies with a plant-based diet. You can see sesame seeds rich in iron, 5 times more iron per weight than even spinach. Cumin seeds. Now, cumin is the single most concentrated form of salicylate, the active ingredient in aspirin. So if you want to fight pain without any of the side effects, cumin is your best friend. And cumin seeds, of course, a rich source of these salicylates. So if we just take a look, for example, here we have a meta-analysis, a recent meta-analysis just from last year, looking at 42 different studies, 2 million participants, 18 randomized control studies, finding massive benefits, 20 to 23% reductions, 25% reductions in mortality rates, lower stroke risk, basically all the major biggest killers in Western society, benefits from seeds and nuts. And how much are we talking about? Just 30 grams per day. How much is that? That happens to be 10 grams is approximately 1 tablespoon. So if we take a look, for example, flax, 1 tablespoon, about 40 calories. And the key here, of course, is the healthy fats, omega-3s and omega-6s. But this is, of course, somewhat calorie dense. So for those people looking for counting calories, chia seeds, you can see a lot less fat overall, but still very, very healthy. And of course, I just threw in hemp here, just one of the many kinds of seeds, also very popular. And you can see here around 90% healthy fats. So what is the key to these health benefits? Well, for flax, as Dr. Gregor explains, lignans, a kind of plant chemical that is very potent in fighting cancer. But the key benefit is the healthy fats. Remember this study from Harvard looking at mortality risk and different kinds of fat intake. So trans fats, of course, massive. Just do not eat these. These are basically just from processed foods and some kinds of meats. Saturated fat, also bad. This is directly linked to raising LDL, bad cholesterol, and increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. And here we have the monounsaturated fat. These are the first kind of healthy fat. This is things like olive oil and various kinds of plant oils. But it's the polyunsaturated fats. This is what you can find in these seeds, specifically hemp seeds, flax seeds, any kind of seeds rich in them. Flax, of course, the highest concentration of the beneficial omega-3, though, of course, not EPA or DHA, just the ALA type, but still absolutely incredible. And remember, we're looking at just 3 tablespoons. Here I just went ahead and put in 1 of each kind, and you can see what we are talking about here. Just 142 calories. So all these incredible benefits. What kind of cost are we looking at? Well, at Walmart, you have ground seeds. Now, remember, you want these to be ground up. Otherwise, it's tough to absorb them. Well, $3.50 for this 1 pound bag. Well, how many servings is that? Remember, we're looking at 30 grams, which is about 4 tablespoons. So 2 of these servings, 17 and a half days worth of ground flaxseed in this bag. That works out to 20 cents per day, just $6 per month. And remember, these benefits we're talking about: weight loss, controlling blood sugar, slashing the risk of dying of stroke, of heart disease, anti-inflammatory, so helping you with recovery, helping you feel better, pain reduction, all these benefits for $6 a month, including fighting certain kinds of cancer. How much would a drug company charge for these? Thousands of dollars a month, and they couldn't keep up with the supply or the demand, and you can get it all for just $6 a month with the example of flaxseed ground from Walmart. But of course, you can find cheap sources of flaxseed at any grocery store. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video to help other people find it on YouTube, and consider trying a Blue Zone vegan lifestyle. It's helped me to lose 100 pounds in 6 months while becoming the Captain America version of myself, and it can help anybody become the healthiest, happiest version of yourself if you give it a chance and are powered by plants.